National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lamoille, or 8 miles south of Amboy, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mendota, Shabbona, Earlville, Malta, Paw Paw, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Lee, Compton, Stewart, West Brooklyn, Triumph, and Harding. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 67 and 95. Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 88. This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's